Did God give me something that He did not give to you? If God give me something that He did not give to you, it is not my fault. You need to go talk to God about that. On a charm fault. Welcome back to my channel, guys. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing great today. I hope we are all having a nice day. And I hope everyone is happy, because that is what life is about, being happy. Okay? So, my video today will be about a little addressing. I am about to address someone. I don't know who it is. We just got through stone in a hog pen, and the hog wet lick or ball out and retaliate. But I care zero. So guys, if you are watching this video and you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please do so with that post notification bell on, so you will be notified when I upload another video, and for you to know more about Charm's lifestyle. So guys, let me tell you what this video is really about. Someone is thumbsing down my video whenever I post a video. Like that person is deliberately waiting for Charm's lifestyle video to thumbs it down. No, I don't have a problem with getting thumbs down on my video. Alright? I don't have a problem with it. You know what I have a problem with? Why is this one person thumbsing down my video? Because it is one person. Yes, it is one person thumbsing down my videos. Like this person only wait to see me post one video, then them come thumbs it down. No, this is for you who is thumbsing down my video. Did God give me something that He did not give to you? If God give me something that He did not give to you, it is not my fault. You need to go talk to God about that. On a charm fault. So here what you need to do. You need to stop target me and the other two people were in a France too, because it's one person doing it. You need to stop target with channel, and you need to go create one channel for yourself, and you need to come go on with yourself, because people, all of my little shots that what me do with me, I go on with myself in it. The person thumbs them down. So it is obvious that someone is jealous of Charm's lifestyle. So guess what, girl or guy, whoever you be, me don't know why you target me, but whatever reason there is that give you the reason to target Charm's lifestyle, honor my fault. It's not my fault. So you need to go fix your problem and stop harassing me. Guys, as I post a video, the person come thumbs it down. Personal feeling. Hey, me no create enemy for myself, you know. So I should not have enemies out there because that is what I'm not looking for. I'm not creating enemies on myself. I am just a fun, loving, outgoing person. So if it is for my personality, it's not my fault. If it's for my beauty, it's not my fault. It's if it is for whatever it is not my fault. I can't help the situation. So guess what? Go do a channel and come go on with yourself on your channel and come show me what you have got. Stop going around and being jealous of persons. Right? Stop going around thumbsing down people's channels. Stop going around and being a nuisance to people like me. And me know you're gonna retaliate. Yes. So the next video when I post, I'm see your thumbs it down. Yeah. I know your retaliation that. You understand? So you have a nice day. Charm is out. Okay, so guys, please remember to subscribe to Charm's Lifestyle channel, okay? So Charm's Lifestyle is out. And if you like this video, thumbs up, like, share, comment, and subscribe. Have a nice day, you all, and thank you all for watching.